Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, green color, yellow color, blue color, red color, and white color. Kids, now draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use black color. O N E 1, 2 T W O 2, 3 T H R W 3, 4 F O U R 4, 5 F I V E 5. Kids, now 6. The numbers of 6 and here is green color. Green color. S I X 6, 7 S E V E N 7, 8 E I G H T 8. Kids, I can use green color and draw 9. N I N E 9, 10 T E N 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and here is yellow color. Yellow color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, I can use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now 16. The numbers of 16 and here is blue color. Blue color. The numbers of 16. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids, I can use blue color and draw 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.